Kikubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra asyapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong. Ka 3 Olives Restaurant. Balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P. Hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom. Ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong. Balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Hadin bakilami ki kubor hamsaya hagini ki kendiat singi baladeb ba u Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh unsa hirno nakashuki kum u Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hanray nakaliang jong umanis chatrat u balong unongyelam jong ka All India Congress Committee u bapet ye kajala Meghalaya haga jingi kran bat kilat pathai kubor haga khat arterik u kalalingkot arajar arpuway ula kren deka Pynshai bahadu mentahi kampat shimladon satya kano-kano ka jingdawa naki nongkit kam jong ka party lani naki MLA bat ki MDC jong ka party ban penhiar khetno ya u Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh nakashuki ka ba ubat barok shikata kum u Presiden jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee.
I think he must have thought about relinquish his position, but as far as I am concerned, he has not discussed with me on this issue, neither he has given any letter in this regard to me. No, they have just discussed matters related to organization, be it President, Vice President, General Secretary, everything together. It is not only there, nobody is targeting anybody out here. And the names you are mentioning, those MLAs are meeting me tomorrow morning, so we'll discuss. If they have some issues, we'll discuss that also. But as of now, they have not discussed anything with me.
Next year.
See, this is a very personal decision of each and every individual to join or to stay in the party. As a team, as in charge of the state, my duty is to ensure that nobody leaves, and which I will try to best of my ability. And I am quite positive people out here, those who have met, and I know them, some of them I know since many years also in the Congress party, and they are not the ones who have to leave. Those who had to leave, they have already left. And those who are in the party are definitely going to stay in the party. I can say that.